Is running kimono here. We have 3 freebies at Walgreens. Oh my gosh, fire coming off the keyboard. We're talking shampoo, dental care, and greeting cards, which we have not seen in a very long time. I got my $35 basket also completely for free. And there's a lot going on with the app, including a reset of the Dove body wash digital coupon. That 8 off 2 digital coupon repopulated for even bigger savings this week. The very end of the video, I'm going to show you how I got my $35 basket to stack with these 2 boosters, a paper on the top and the digital one on the bottom. And yes, they did stack when I got a $35 basket, and I got $12 back in Walgreens cash and got the gold medal for couponing Olympics over at Walgreens. Now, before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the deals if you guys could just like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is this 2 free greeting cards by Hallmark. Specifically, the line is called Shoebox. This is where I found it. It's buy one get one free, plus the promotion that when you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward to use on a later purchase. So this is really fantastic. So I tested this out this morning, like, is this going to work? And could I use this register reward on anything in the future? It works on anything in the future. So I found these 2 kind of quirky birthday cards, and it's just like, happy birthday, you're as awesome as this narwhal. So I don't know, I just thought it was kind of quirky and fun. So I got 2 of those, and they are $3.99. Now one of them's completely free. So grabbing 2 of them, you're only going to pay for 1 and then get back a $5 register reward, making the 2 free plus a little money maker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you wanted to do this deal more than once, you have to do it in separate transactions, as the register reward will only print once per transaction. And the Hallmark register reward, even though it says you have to buy future Hallmark purchase, I bought some trash bags later and it scanned on it. So just to let you know, it will scan on anything. If the cashier will read every single line and give you a hard time, obviously that's not the store to do it at. But if you're doing a larger transaction, you're just throwing this in, I think it'll be pretty easy. Or buy like a 99-cent bow and that's your Hallmark purchase. It scans, just a little piece of advice, but if you want to buy another $5 card, go for it. And I don't believe it rolls either. The next freebie that I have for you is on the Dove shampoo. We barely get the shampoo completely free. Make it happen. When you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. And guess what appeared this morning? A 5 off 2 manufacturer. Please make sure you have this loaded and do this deal this week, because free shampoo is right up any couponer's alley. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, pay $5, get back a $5 register reward, making it free with like 10,000 E's at the end, because I'm so excited. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Use that $5 to earn your register reward and call this some magic. Yet another freebie that we have is on dental care. And whenever there's dental care that you can stock up for free, this is what couponers are. This is our bread and this is our butter. Grabbing 1 brush and 1 paste at $4 a pop, 1 of each. And they're $4 each. We have a $2 on the paste and a $2 on the brush. So load both of these. Very basic deal. 2 of these Colgate products is $8. Subtracting the $4, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, making it free. Less ease because it's not free shampoo, but enough because I'm just like hyperactive today. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Now, I know some of you probably missed my video from yesterday, but between the window of Wednesday to Friday, there's going to be a free 8x10 photo from the 23rd to the 25th using the code GETYOURPRINT, exactly as it's typed there. 1 per account, and that 5 back when you spend 15, that paper booster that I'm like, look what I got. This is typically the offer where I'm getting it to print in store. I type in my phone number. So good luck with that, guys. But Wednesday to Friday, get your free 8x10 photo. And with that magic, sometimes the paper boosters print. Okay, so this is where it starts getting great. This detergent is $8.99. It's down to $1.99 this week. This morning, we have an IBOTTA rebate for $1 back, making a jug of 38 loads of this 99 cents. I always grab the scent-free one because it's just magic in a bottle. For IBOTTA, it's a limit of up to 2 times per account, but make it happen, guys. And also, if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. I'll link in the notes to sign up with my team. I think you get an extra $5 when you submit your first qualifying receipt, but it's a fantastic app. So here's the deal. 2 of these, it's $3.98 at $1.99 a pop. Subtracting your $2 back from IBOTTA, so you'll photograph your receipt, get $2 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per Purex. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, now this is a lot of meat and potatoes, but a deal that all of us love. The Garnier shampoo is $3.99 this week. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward on both the Fructis and the whole blends. If you're going to do it, guys, 2 separate transactions, as the register reward will only print once per transaction. And that 3 off 2 digital coupon actually appeared twice this morning. One for whole blends and one for Fructis, which is the 2 different lines in their shampoo company. So grabbing 2 of these at $3.99 a pop, it's $7.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or 49 cents per Garnier. So, I mean, this is just absolutely fantastic. I know IBOTTA has a rebate, but it's for the large pump bottles. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend some to earn that register reward. This was a Christmas morning moment. $7 each, $3 reward when you purchase 2 of the Dove body wash, either the men or women's. And this coupon reappeared, which is an 8 off of 2. Fantastic when they do that, because it was last week's promotion and then it reappeared again this morning and it's working. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's going to be $14. Subtracting that generous coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. And again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Fetch Rewards has various rebates. I think mine is like spend $40 to get back $3. And buying the body wash and the shampoo this morning, I have 16 left on that. It's any Unilever product. But check your Fetch app in case, there might be something for you to make a deal happen to get a little money back. But mine was like, I think, 3 back or 4 back when you spend $40 at Walgreens on Unilever products. Another super deal is on the Oral-B brushes at $3.50 or the Crest paste at $3.50. $5 register reward when you purchase 3 of these. And we have this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded and it's either on the paste or the brushes. And make sure you don't have like the $1 and $2 coupons loaded, because the smaller ones will come off first. Grabbing 3 of these products at $3.50 a pop, that's $10.50. Subtracting that magical coupon, you'll pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per toothbrush or paste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Just to let you guys know, this $5 grooming weird register reward that I have, it has a quicker expiry date than the other one, so I wanted to use it. And so I really was interested in stocking up on more of these plastic bags, which is a buy 1, get 2 for free. So it makes it 93 cents per box of 20. So I grabbed 3 of those. And then also the $4.99 trash bags. If you have pets, I mean, it's a really good stock up price, especially for the smaller ones. And that's on a buy 1, get 2 for free. Also very cheap. So subtracting that $5 coupon, it was like $2.78 for the 6, which is a total stock up price. Use a bit of Walgreens cash and it works. And I'm pretty sure Hallmark will also scan on this. Again, if you have a cashier that's going to read every line of these register rewards, it probably won't work. But if they just scan it, it should. Okay, again, class, these are the boosters. So when I'm like, don't use Walgreens cash, use Walgreens cash. If you're doing a deal with these 2 specific, you have to pay the balance with your debit, credit, or bills. The top one's a paper one. The bottom one's a digital one, and they did stack for me this morning, and I got my $12 back. Here's my $35 basket. We have $14 of the Dove body wash, $7.98 of the Garnier whole blends, and then $14.99 Gillette Labs razor. So that's $36.97. The $14.99 Gillette Lab, you get that weird $5 register reward when you purchase one. Plus, we got a 7 off of one for that specific one that's attaching. There might be a $5 one floating in your account, so please make sure this is the one that is attaching, because it's obviously a $2 difference and you want the biggest savings. So just to jog you through the basket that I did this morning, grabbing 2 of those whole blends for $7.98, 2 Dove body washes for $14, 1 Gillette Lab for $14.99. The total for the basket is $36.97. At this point, I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, and then my digital booster is loaded to my store account as well. A 7 back when you spend $35. I have $18 in digitals melting off, 3 for whole blends, 8 for Dove body wash, and 7 for Gillette Labs. $18.97 I had to pay with my debit card plus tax. I got back $12 in Walgreens cash plus $12 in register rewards, 3 for whole blends, 4 for Dove, and then 5 for Gillette Labs. This is free plus a $5 moneymaker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using the spend boosters, but make this deal happen. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.